The top 5 benefits of drinking milk every day. Are you looking for a delicious and nutritious beverage to add to your daily routine? Milk is a great option that provides a range of health benefits. From strengthening bones to aiding digestion, there are many reasons why it should be included in your diet. In this video, we will be exploring the top 5 benefits of drinking milk every day. Watch this video more about the amazing advantages that milk can bring to your life. 1. Helps with weight loss. Drinking milk every day can help with weight loss in a number of ways. Firstly, milk is an excellent source of protein and can help to keep you feeling full for longer periods of time. This means that you are less likely to snack between meals, which can be a major contributor to weight gain. Milk is also low in calories when compared to other dairy products and is packed with vitamins and minerals. This makes it the perfect choice for anyone looking to lose weight in a healthy way. Studies have even shown that those who drink milk regularly are more likely to maintain a healthy weight compared to those who don't. 2. Reduces the risk of heart disease. Drinking milk is known to help reduce the risk of developing heart disease. Studies have shown that individuals who drink milk on a daily basis have lower levels of bad cholesterol and higher levels of good cholesterol, which in turn helps protect against heart disease. This is because milk contains essential nutrients, including vitamin A, calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are all important for maintaining a healthy heart. Additionally, the high protein content in milk can help lower blood pressure, reducing the risk of stroke and heart attack. 3. Reduces the risk of stroke. Drinking milk has been linked to a reduced risk of stroke. Research suggests that consuming milk may decrease the risk of stroke due to the high levels of potassium, magnesium, and calcium in milk. These minerals can help to regulate blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for stroke. Studies have also shown that those who drink milk regularly tend to have lower levels of homocysteine, an amino acid that is linked to an increased risk of stroke. By including milk in your daily diet, you can help reduce your risk of stroke and improve your overall health. 4. Reduces the risk of cancer. Milk is a great source of essential nutrients and minerals, including calcium and vitamin D, both of which are important for helping to reduce the risk of cancer. Studies have found that consuming dairy products can help lower the risk of certain cancers, such as colon cancer. In addition, calcium may also protect against breast cancer, and vitamin D has been found to protect against prostate cancer. So, drinking milk every day may help reduce the risk of cancer by providing the body with essential vitamins and minerals. 5. Build strong bones. Drinking milk is one of the most important ways to ensure that your bones stay strong and healthy. Milk contains calcium, which is an essential nutrient for keeping bones healthy. Calcium helps keep bones strong and reduces the risk of osteoporosis. Milk also contains other nutrients such as phosphorus, magnesium, zinc, and vitamin D, which all play a role in keeping your bones healthy. Drinking enough milk can help prevent bone loss and improve bone health, especially for those at risk of osteoporosis. Additionally, studies have shown that drinking milk may help to increase bone mineral density in adults, which can help reduce the risk of fractures. Thus, adding milk to your daily routine can be a great way to keep your bones strong and healthy.